This is a piston. So alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're in 𝘽𝙀𝙇 Performance in Wrexham. I'm finally getting my forged engine done. As you can see, it's currently on the ramp. Alan's dropping the oil out of it at the moment. So we're going to drop the engine out of it and we're going to go from there. I don't really know what we're doing, but yeah, we're going to have some fun. And Darren's being naughty in the background. You must have high socks.
Yeah, no, they're fucking like, you know, cheerleader socks.
Are you going to intro with me, Darren? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, Sam. Okay. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, right. I just put all this in. Oh, it's come off.
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3.
It was very painful.
Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Is that actually, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Be really, really quiet a second, man.
Sorry.
Go on.
This is for later. This is some footage for another channel, as I always say. Just move that camera down a bit now.
Why?
Down here. No, it's a joke. Don't listen. Whatever he says, don't listen to him. You just double team it at the same time. Four-way this shit.
Nat. We tag team with Nat, is that what you're suggesting?
And Lee.
She's got a hell of a smile on her face when
She
said
knows
that.
what's coming.
Loving it. Yeah boy, divorce next week. Yeah. Coming soon to a channel near you.
I'll marry you, don't worry.
Good.
That's what it was.
8 or 10 weeks ago, would you say, he turned up here, he's rang me and said, can I call in?
Had a leak.
Yeah, had a fairly
Had a surprise leak.
Frivolent, is that the right contextual word?
Sprayed.
I know we'll ask Lee later. So you had a leak from the front of the car.
I did, yeah.
And you knew it was from the oil filter housing and pop the bonnet, and pretty much instantaneously there was evidence of, like, you know, oil residue, a lot of oil residue around the oil filter housing. Now apparently you'd had that for some time.
Yeah, from November, I think. I noticed a loss of power one night, checked my bonnet, opened up and saw a bit of oil. I thought, oh, I won't worry about it. And then here we are.
Car guy, won't worry about it.
Well, the problem I had with that with the oil was before I had the map on it anyway. I think the map obviously just hasn't helped the situation. So with the big flames and the popping and the banging and the anti-lag, obviously.
And the leaving it for a long time.
Yeah, because it's just one of those things I just...
And just the way that you use your car, really, more than anything, like, I mean,
yeah.
you know, you don't exactly portray that, the way in which we desire people to utilise their cars, you know, in a safe and effective way, I suppose.
It's been enjoyed, that's all I can say.
Yeah,
I enjoy it.
Every minute, breaking it.
Yeah, well, even after you told me not to drive it, I drove it. So,
yeah, so this is going to be a massive learning curve for him, because he's actually removing the engine
I'm doing
himself,
it myself
which is why we've helped to reduce the cost, because we've said he can use the ramp, but Mikey's got a special helper with him and all sorts to get this done.
She's got two great, huge tools.
Assets.
Yeah, that's one way of putting it.
So, yeah, we're going to get on with the removal, unless there's something else you want to say, like, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry?
Thanks, Mikey. Sorry on many levels. Sorry for being late, sorry for not buying breakfast. Sorry for taking so long to get to this point.
But the way you see it, Dan, you get to hang out with me today, so that's a bonus, isn't it?
You're always hanging out though, Mikey. You hang around with that other Mikey. Just to let you know, he's not getting any special treatment. He's not jumping the queue and he's not getting done quick.
But it is
just
free.
Is what it is. But it is free, yeah, it's free. Oh yeah, I forgot AWT told you it was free, didn't they? And they tried to use that against me. Thanks. There's the door, mate. See you in a bit, guys.
We're having a fucking camera.
Come on then, do you want to fakey this then?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
What
do you
am I
want
faking,
a lean
Darren?
in?
Natalie's good at faking.
Yeah, boy!
saying?
Is she? So we've decided to abandon the idea of Mikey actually stripping his own car, and what we've got is a huge pair of assets here to sort this job out. So, Nat, I'll just give you that. I'm just probably going to have more clue than Mikey, to be fair. So if you just start somewhere here, and then just find whatever size that fits, just put it on it and start doing stuff. You're fine, it's only Mikey's car, I'll leave it to it.
This is what happens when you don't lube. You recorded, weren't you?
True story.
You recorded?
Yeah.
I can't wait for them to find everything else is wrong with my car. This is going to be an expensive bill. Look, you got a zoom. Play with the zoom. If you want, you can blind them with this.
Your porn of the Your home videos.
They're top notch. I'll send you a link. So you want to make sure you get your light blinding his lens.
Yeah.
We need the footage.
Look at that. Look, you're getting all
Oh yeah.
the ring flares and
I
all
can see
that
it in the.
After about 20 minutes work, I finally got it out.
That's what annoys Nat the most. 20 minutes work and you finally get it out.
So let's open it up and see what's wrong. Should I mount my engine? Oh yeah. So we're going to put in our bets now to see what is actually wrong with the engine. I was just going to take the top off. And we're going to see if it is a crap piston or whatever else it might be. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, you still recording? Oh right, okay. Alright, you can cut that. Yeah, have you seen what they've done to my belt?
we're going to reuse that.
That'll be it now. That'll be the entire length of the comments will be consumed by.
I'll blur it out, don't worry.
Why don't we cut so that we can't reuse it out?
You see, you cut the belt, there's no way
No
it's
way
going back on.
back
Yeah.
on, yeah.
At least you know you're getting a new
People
one.
say, why do you cut the belt? Because
I don't want it being
then
used
you
again.
can't reuse it.
Last time this had an oil change.
Yeah, when did this? Yeah, when did this?
Call it the camber schedule for the oil,
Yeah. Every 110,000 miles.
10 years or 110,000 miles, I'll be fine with them.
Lee, so
Put the
romantic,
last
isn't
mics
he?
on or not?
So, there's a bit of a highlight of what we think we found in Mikey's engine. We found a piston here that's probably got similar, not the same damage as Mikey's got. So what we can see from piston number 2 is that there's oil, as we rotate the engine, there's oil coming from underneath the piston skirt and around it and sitting on the top of it. That likely indicates a broken or cracked ringland. Now, the version I've got in my hand is an extreme version of that. On some of the cars you can actually see the edge of the piston destroyed. On Mikey's one you can't, so the likelihood is that somewhere in between these rings here
Just keep
Did you
going.
actually get that on film? What? That's welcome to Wrexham. Absolute advert for Wrexham outside. Helmet. So, yeah, what we'll probably find is that with Mikey's, there's a piece missing between where the rings are, which is a ringland or land ring, whichever way you want to say it. So basically, a bit of this will be floating around. Has probably scored the ball.
Oh, down there, yeah?
That shouldn't be there.
Right, so it's definitely that one then?
Yeah.
There we go.
Fuck no, of course you chuck another rod in it.
And also dug into it in places, so that's why we're going to end up going half a mil oversized, so 83.5 rather than the 83 standard size. So,
Oh my god, piston slap! Oh my god! Yeah. Number 2 cylinder is fucked.
So this is a piston. Yeah, this is piston. This
Yeah.
is a piston, and this is what basically makes your car work. It goes up and down, doesn't it, Darren?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And it pushes fuel up here. No. Yeah. Go on. He's leaving me hanging here. Basically, I don't know. I haven't a clue. But it's broken, and I'm just glad it's not like that.
Yeah. So it's not quite like that. But anyway, yeah, what's this bit called, Mikey?
Oh, well, the whole thing's a piston, isn't it?
No.
That's not a piston. Oh.
No. So,
What?
so which bit do you think is the piston?
The bottom part.
No. Excellent.
The top part.
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay.
That's the piston. Those are the rings. Those
Yeah.
little loose things that stop.
Well,
you know,
what's that part then?
that is the connecting rod.
Connecting. See, it's a, every time I come
It's a
here, I
learning
learn
curve.
more.
It's a learning curve.
Because I didn't even know what an engine was this morning.
What makes it go up and down then, Mikey?
Oh, that's the, oh, we're on about this. It's what you want me to get for my engine, isn't it? Crankshaft. No. Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah.
makes these go up and down, but that's not what I wanted you to get.
Oh.
Camshafts.
Camshafts,
But
yeah.
So,
See, I do know some stuff.
yeah, so Engine 101 with Mikey Rowland. Part 1, over and out. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe for all tips, hints, tricks, and anything else you may need to know about the Mark II Focus RS or ST to Mikey Rowland's channel.
Yeah.
Because there isn't a lot that he doesn't know, as proven by this little breakdown of engine operation. So, yeah. Alternatively, if you need some, you know, basic mechanical skills, then please, you know, subscribe to the Be Performance channel.
This is all because I said I was getting free shit, wasn't it?
No, I'm just saying, if you
He's bullying me now.
if you want a little bit, I mean, we know a little bit, maybe not quite as much as Mikey. We haven't had as much experience,
well,
have
to
we
be
really?
fair, yeah.
So
You're
you know,
learning, aren't you?
yeah, I know, yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah.
But thanks for the help today.
It's
I
all right,
really,
no
really
worries.
do appreciate you bringing your assets down to
It's all right.
help us out with that and making sure that it was easy to remove the engine
It's okay.
in a really
No
effective
problem.
way.
Anytime.
Some of the cinematics are going to be absolutely.
So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. The engine's out now. So yeah, it's gonna get stuff done to it now. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. You'll see that in another video. Thanks to the lads for giving me my courtesy car. So I'm gonna head off now, so I'll see you in the next video. I can't even get in it. See you later.
We catch you super fast, so when you get down.